Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.08 Macro Name Syntax. There are more than 4,200 macros. Macros are grouped or categorized mostly by function, some by type. Major types include DMNS, EXAMPLE example, GOTO go-to, GROUP group or GRP group, and SLCT select. Macro names usually start with the function or type. Macro names starting DMNS enter the dimensions. Macro names starting example run the instruction examples. Macro names starting goto move the cursor around on the sheet. Macro names starting group or GRP select multiple worksheets. Macro names starting SLCT move to the selected worksheet. All types are not listed here. Enter key sequence alternate WMV to see the entire list. Try not to be confused by macros versus range names. Macros are actions performed when a button is clicked. This example, 1.1.08, is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.09.